These I just saw Ejinrin all over this place. You can tell. Grows abundantly here. And you see Ejinrin. This is what it looks like. Ejinrin to the rescue. Talk about female troubles. Your menstruation is not coming out well. Ejinrin to the rescue. Ejinrin. Tell you a little story about how I found this Ejinrin quite useful. You know, sometimes when you do some things, eat what you shouldn't eat, your menstruation starts misbehaving. You squeeze this during a handful, take a cup of water and drink. You'll be surprised. Even when your menstruation is like murky, not bright red, you keep taking it. Ejinrin is always there to solve your menstrual challenges. Let's try it and see.